Y'all, can we get into this color real quick? Red velvet outre come through. I think the lace is lacing. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right with the hell that you expect. Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty, and in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, ay. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way, worst way, worst day. I can feel the hurt, babe, hurt, babe, hurt, babe. I can feel the worst pain. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with an oldie but a goodie. This one is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Laurel and the color number DRFF Red Velvet. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. This one does also come with an elastic band, and it does come with that trash fake scalp, which I did go in and cut out as always. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. The hairline looks pretty good, honestly, in my opinion. It could probably use a little bit more plucking, especially because I feel like the knots on this one are a little bit darker, a little bit bigger than I would like. So it definitely could use a little bit of plucking, but I feel like as far as it being beginner friendly, definitely beginner friendly. Actually, I've reviewed this wig in the past in a natural color, but I just wanted to pick it up in this red velvet cover because the natural color was absolutely hitting. And I also wanted to test to see if it's giving the same vibe that the original was giving, because I absolutely love the original and I feel like it pretty much is. Now as far as the texture on this one, it's giving like a very, very light yaki texture. I'm not necessarily feeling any silky, maybe just like a tiny hit of silky. I would say that it's leaning a little bit more towards yaki than it is silky. Now the length on this one is pretty long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it definitely comes below my boobs. For the density of this unit, this hair is all to the front, and it is definitely a super natural density. It's probably sitting between 130 to 150%, maybe leaning a little bit more towards 130%. So if you're somebody who does like natural density, I definitely would suggest this one for you. This unit's also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. I probably would want to go and add some heat to the side because you see it's popping up a little bit. I didn't do it for this video because I'm lazy and I didn't feel like doing anything with it. But you definitely can go in and add some heat and get rid of the humpage. But for the most part, I feel like it's sitting pretty flat. I probably would add heat if I was about to go wear out and about outside, but nonetheless, I feel like it is pretty good to go right out of the box with like minimal customization needed. So of course I was definitely here for that. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. As far as it being big head friendly, I would say it's right on the brink. It's fitting my head exactly where I want it to, and it's going kind of ear to ear. I'm getting a little bit lift, but I am able to get it ear to ear. I probably would just need to tack it down and just
hit it with the satin wrap and just secure it down to like get that definite hold. So I think it's definitely workable if you do have a large size head, but I definitely would stray on the side of caution because I don't think you'll necessarily be able to take advantage of that ear-to-ear lace. So definitely keep that in mind. The cap does have some stretch to it. It's definitely breathable. So let me just jump right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one and only con with this unit, like always, is going to be that fake scalp. I just feel like it's unnecessary. I feel like the line of demarcation with the faux scalp is just, it's just not it for me, and I feel like I see it with anybody who keeps the fake scalp in there, whether they're light skin, whether they're dark skin. I feel like that scalp mark demarcation is just super obvious to me, and I just feel like this unit hits without it. All the other units I've seen with a faux scalp, I just feel like it's just so unnecessary and adds additional work that just is not really needed when the unit was good to go without the fake scalp. So I'm just not here for that. I just will never understand the reasoning behind that, especially for the fact that it's not like the fake scalp goes all the way to the front. Like the fake scalp starts like back here, so you got this weird little demarcation situation happening. But honestly, that's going to be the only con that I have, and luckily it's a definitely super easy fix. Not super quick, but quick enough that I wouldn't mind doing it again, especially for the end result. My pros on it are going to be, I love this color. When I'm in the mood, I'm definitely a red hair, don't care type of girl, so I definitely do love the color. I like the fact that we have the dark root going on. I feel like the lace is lacing. It's looking pretty good. I really like the curl pattern, the length, the density. I feel like as a whole, this is definitely a super cute one, obviously, since I picked that up again. From what I can remember in the past, I don't think it lasted me super long, maybe like a week of everyday wear, which is alright with me, honestly. So as a whole, I feel like this is definitely a good one, and I don't think you'll be disappointed if you pick it up. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.